This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good afternoon, guys. It's H. What's up, you guys? So right now I'm just gonna cook some food up. I don't know what I'm gonna cook yet. I haven't decided yet because there's so much food that I can eat and eat, but I don't know what to have because I'm not the genius. I might cook the bacon. Yeah, I might do the bacon jam for tomorrow. But look at the mess that someone made. Pumpkin made, and it was not nice at all because he's usually pretty good, but for some reason today got himself in mischief, so I have to clean this up before making bacon jam, you guys, because I don't understand why he did that, but you know. So talk to you guys when I try to clean it up. So right now I'm working on like a secret project for Will and Meatloaf sometime. I'm trying to figure out like ways that I can make a meatloaf without buying tins, like what is it called, mini meat trays, because they're expensive. They are $15 for a small one. It's like, oh, I'm not gonna pay for that because that's, if I do a lot more, I'm not gonna do it. So I might do something secretly, might do some meat, like I'm doing Will and meat pie sometime, so that's what I'm going to be trying to do. So that's coming soon sometime, I don't know when, whenever I get a chance to film it, and then stuff. I'm just making the container so it's easier for me to just do like that, put the ingredients in, boom, done. So I'll talk to you guys then, when I'm making them. This is the finished touch of what we made. We only made one so far, but we are making five of them. So it's difficult than it looks. Mini meatloaf. Sorry. Mini meatloaf's really turned out really good. So I thought to do like that instead of actually making like a whole meatloaf when I do Will and Meatloaf. I'm gonna do partially a meatloaf because that's the easiest way. And I'm gonna use some supplies that I have, because it's easier like that. So, pretty soon I'm gonna make it. I don't know if I should I should just do it the day of when I do the video. That'd be awesome. So you guys can see sneak peeks behind the scenes of every video that we do, what's coming up, what's not coming up. There's so many video will I have so many really ideas, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. Is this good? Yeah, it should be good. Just double checking with everything, so that's pretty cool. Talk to you guys when I am eating supper. Talk to you guys then. Hey guys, we got some new banners on my Twitter too, and this is what it looks like on my Twitter now, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna upload some more from my main channel and all that stuff. Thank you for all around Audrey. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Make sure you guys check her out. That'd be awesome. Link's gonna be in the description because she's awesome. She's really kind, sweet, lovely, and actually really artistic. Really good at doing these for me. And so make sure you guys subscribe to her. That'd be awesome. I'm just uploading some thumbnails right now to give her a shout out because she worked so hard on them. So make sure you guys check her out. That'd be awesome. So talk to you guys when I do some stuff. So talk to you guys then. We got done the meatloaf trays, but that's pretty cool and exciting. Pumpkin, what do you want? Do you want food? Let's go get food then. Okay? Go get food. You're always whining every single minute. But that's alright. Cats always whine. Cats always eat a lot. So right now I'm just gonna get the mail. So talk to you guys then. some hamburger helper. That's what I'm cooking, you guys. Hey guys, so we are making some sloppy joes. So that's pretty cool and exciting. So that's what we're gonna have. So talk to you guys right now when I'm cooking the hamburger. And then we're gonna have some sloppy joes. So talk to you guys. This is the sloppy joes. Yeah! Let's do sloppy joes. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow, because tomorrow's not going to be a really busy day tomorrow, but I'm going to try to do some videos for you guys, heads up videos and them stuff, so that's exciting. And so talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Good.